In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Gumroad subscription. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's get started. First off, you will need to open your web browser and head over to the Gumroad website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your account. This is important because you'll need access to your dashboard to cancel your subscription. Once you're logged in, you should be greeted by your Gumroad dashboard. This is the platform where you manage all your purchases, sales, and subscriptions. On the dashboard, you'll notice a variety of options, but what you want to focus on is the Help section. It's often located either at the top of the page or in a drop-down menu, so take a moment to locate that. Now, click on the Help option. This is a great resource. Gumroad has a helpful support section that should be able to guide you through most problems, including canceling your subscription. Once you're in the Help section, you'll see a search bar where you can enter keywords related to your issue. In the search bar, go ahead and type in membership. This should bring up a list of relevant articles and guidelines related to subscriptions and memberships. You're looking for information specifically on how to cancel a membership. Once you see the appropriate article, click on it to view the step-by-step instructions. Following these guidelines is pretty straightforward. Generally, they'll walk you through the steps of finding your current memberships, and from there, you will likely see options to manage or cancel them. As you go through the instructions, keep an eye out for any prompts or buttons that say Cancel Subscription. Depending on the specifics of your subscription, there may be a confirmation step to ensure that you truly want to cancel. So if you reach that point, just follow the prompts. Confirming your cancellation may take just one click, or you may need to enter further details to secure that action. Lastly, after you've successfully canceled your subscription, I recommend checking your email for a confirmation notice. It's always good practice to keep this for your records. It may take a little while for the subscription to reflect the cancellation, so don't worry if you still see it listed under your membership for a bit. Just remember that it won't renew and you should be good moving forward. And that's really all there is to it. Canceling a Gumroad subscription may seem a bit daunting at first, especially if you're not familiar with the platform. But I hope this walkthrough has made it clear and simple for you. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. It really helps me to keep creating more content like this. If there's anything else you'd like to learn, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to address your questions in future videos. Happy browsing, and good luck with your Gumroad adventures.